100 push-ups a day challenge, how it transformed my physical and mental health. Embarking on the 100 push-ups a day challenge can yield transformative effects on both physical and mental health. Here's a first-hand account of how this challenge impacted me. Physical strength and endurance. Initially, completing 100 push-ups in a single day seemed daunting, but as I persisted, my strength and endurance improved significantly. Over time, I found myself able to perform more push-ups in a single set and with better form, indicating tangible progress in my physical capabilities. Muscle definition and tone. One of the most noticeable changes was the development of muscle definition and tone in my chest, shoulders, arms, and core. The challenge sculpted these muscle grooves, giving my physique a leaner and more defined appearance. Increased energy levels. Engaging in daily physical activity boosted my energy levels and overall vitality. I felt more alert, focused, and ready to tackle daily tasks and challenges with vigor. Improved posture. Strengthening my chest, shoulder, and core muscles through push-ups positively impacted my posture. I noticed that I stood taller and with better alignment, reducing strain on my back and neck and alleviating discomfort associated with poor posture. Discipline and consistency. Completing the challenge required discipline and consistency, instilling valuable habits that extended beyond my fitness journey. The commitment to completing 100 push-ups every day fostered discipline in other areas of my life, contributing to personal and professional growth. Sense of achievement. Each day I completed the challenge, I felt a sense of accomplishment and pride. Celebrating these small victories motivated me to continue, pushing myself and striving for improvement, both in fitness and in other aspects of life. Community and support. Sharing my progress with friends, family, or online communities provided a sense of camaraderie and support. Connecting with others who were also undertaking the challenge encouraged accountability and motivation, making the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Stress relief and relaxation. Engaging in physical activity served as a form of stress relief and relaxation. The focused, repetitive motion of push-ups allowed me to clear my mind and unwind, promoting a sense of calmness and tranquility after each session. Inspiration for growth. The 100 push-ups a day challenge served as a catalyst for personal growth and self-improvement. It inspired me to set and achieve goals, push past my perceived limitations, and continuously strive for progress in all areas of my life. Overall, the 100 push-ups a day challenge transformed not only my physical fitness, but also my mental resilience, discipline, and overall well-being. It's a testament to the power of commitment, consistency, and perseverance in achieving transformative results.